Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has lost 1.1% in the last session. The ADX has receded into the negative area. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator has cooled down and is now giving an oversold signal. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.1% in the last session. The ROC moved sharply into positive territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. Stochastic is diminishing and is now giving a neutral signal.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
A gauge of global stocks dipped in choppy trading as investors eyed the yields on U.S. Treasuries for signs of inflation in the wake of the U.S. passage of a $1.9 trillion stimulus bill. Atari, the gaming company behind the iconic Pac-Man, Asteroids, and Pong, is set to develop a virtual cryptocurrency casino. MasterCard and Samsung are set to launch a biometric payment card, which have been gaining more traction thanks to falling production costs.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The U.S. NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 1100 GMT, the U.S. Redbook Index at 1355 GMT, the Eurozone's gross domestic product at 1000 GMT. Germany's trade balance will be released at 700 GMT, the French non-farm payrolls at 630 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.